What's good, peeps? Be money in the house. So I'm renovating my attic, and I installed these IKEA KALLAX um, store shelving in the knee wall. So I'm showing someone in case they want to know what to do with the knee wall, and they need an ideal. So these fit ideally in my knee wall. So as you can see, I built framing around so that I can install drywall around the framing. So they got um, different sizes of these Calyx storage. So right here I have the one that has four compartments, and then I have three that have 8 compartments. So as you can see, in case you need some ideals for attic storage, these are ideal. I had to buy some back back end. They don't come with the back portion, so I bought that from Home Depot and tacked it on to the back. So for the other side, I'm gonna install. The other side is gonna be used for storage, and I'm going to install barnyard doors. So it's going to be a sliding door right here. This is like a 3 foot, uh, 3 foot width space to put items in, and I got these 6 foot. I purchased these 6 foot barnyard door. It's just the hardware to. I'm gonna build the door myself. So I have two of these spaces, 3 feet, so that it's gonna have two sliding doors here. And the way I built this this side, so if you look at this side, I have the 2x4s up against the joist, so it's a 60-degree angle. So in order for me to install drywall, I install these pieces here on top, so the drywall will be able to be tacked on to these pieces, and then come down the joist that I created. So that allows you to utilize the 60-degree angle, and allows you to apply your drywall flush to the ceiling joist. So as you can see on this side, it's just everything is parallel. So I'm gonna drywall, just run the drywall down the joist, and then run another piece down here. So so I'm just giving someone that's looking to renovate their attic some ideals. I'll probably do a video when I'm finished. So this is gonna be a room that I have a pool table in my dining room that I'm gonna move up to the attic. So I have a real dining room now. So that's why I'm renovating the attic. And with that, I say peace.